Hi everyone, it's Caroline. Thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone's doing really well. You have some toilet roll left over. These two have been flattened for a while and I found them underneath one of my boxes. And then I have this one that I just cut and I have this one. I thought if you had something fun to send somebody, you could put a gift card in here, a nice letter, some ephemera if you're sending it to a friend, lots of different things. This one I did with the actual Pinterest idea, which is circles. This one I thought, well, I had some scraps left over from my paper, so I made a square, and then I used the size of the square to make these extra flaps so it mimics this one. And then I sewed it. I didn't even glue it, I sewed it. So I folded it the same way, like that. And I think this would be okay if you took some time. I just did it really, really quickly. Let's do the toilet paper one first. So what I have to do is cut out a circle. And all I have to do for that, I do not have a big punch. This is my thread holder, a jar, anything like that. With this one here, when I cut the circles out, I had a bit of flat surface on some of them because I didn't give myself enough clearance. Let's see if this works. I want to use this toilet paper rolls up because they've been here for a while. I'm using things that are just right at my desk, at my fingertips. Another idea that I had was if you wanted to emboss these, that would be really cool. And I haven't even thought of how I want to decorate these, although I could stamp them and decorate them the way I did my little vintage boxes. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to fold it over, and you can see the seam on this piece of cardboard is this way. I'm going to fold it opposite, and I will get my bone folder out for that. Just soften up that crease. I have this bone folder here, so let's just do that. And I just took some of my stamps, random stamps. I don't have a theme going, so I really want to just have some fun, and I'm going to use my letters, my script. I will be using my tacky glue for something stronger. So I have my bases. You line up your folds so that it makes a square, and then that's what you glue the corner. And what I could do was take my pencil, that'll make my life easier. Take my pencil, just put the glue in that little section there. That makes it better. Then there's no guessing. I'm really doing this together with you kind of as an experiment too. The more you do these, the better you find a system that works, for me anyway. And you can also tell when your cuts aren't exact, which goes with the handmade look. Oh yeah, that's cute. going to let this dry a little bit before I start fiddling. And I'm going to now work on this piece of paper. Cut it into 4s. I'll do 2 at a time. 2 circles at a time. I have this roll of tape that's right in my cart, so I'll use that. This one definitely can have a glue stick. It's a good strong glue stick. Give yourself a little bit of clearance to fold. And you can decorate in here too after you've assembled it. So this one goes in like this. Oops, like that. Okay, that should be working. My line here, which I probably should have used my grid, so I'm going to share this with you. I have this line has coming in towards the center, so that's shortening up my span on this circle. You can see I'm probably a good 1/4 of an inch or so, half an inch. So I could take this off, but I won't because it's going to ruin it. I'm just going to fix it by making my circle a little bit like that. I'm just going to fix it. The next time I'll have to be mindful that my square stays square. It's going in like that. But you know what? It's okay. Just fix it this way. It's going to be a little off. You can see how it's off there. It's still going to work, and it's going to be fun, and it'll be fine. And just reconfigure. And this one on here. So what I could do is I could go this way, like that, and then this is my outside or my inside, and it goes in here. Well, that is so cool and pretty. You could present it like that. You don't even have to tie it. If you want it really, really flat, then one of these has to push out a little bit more, probably. I'm going to come back to this one. This one's definitely going to require a tie. Oh, maybe not. Let's take a look. This one fit together pretty nicely. I guess because it's smaller. A little something in the middle. Just came in with my salvage patina and did some of my edges. And now I'm using the gathered twigs and giving a little more distressing on the inside. I have some of my twine and I'm going to glue that on the seam here. If you're putting this in your journal, this would be very bulky, but if you wanted to put it in and then maybe add your twine or your ribbon, whatever you have on the outside. I'm going to finish this one. I'm going to do 2 lengths, 2 side by side so that it hides the seam. It's all the same color, and you can do cotton fabric, a piece of leather. That would be really fun. That would be cool. Lots of ideas. It's a really great way to experiment and see the look that you want, the feel that you're after. You could also take one of your own photos. This is flowers that we sent to our daughter for her birthday. So I took a picture of that. And you can put that on the bottom. You can take some stamps and you can put some stamps in here, maybe in an envelope. Keep them in an envelope. Put some of your, this is my own stamp, and you could put that in here. Fits in there with some stamps. Maybe I'll just do that. A few little stamps. Close it up. That's the, okay, so it goes like this. And then this will go, just figure it out. Oh, that's fun. And then tie it up. White cardstock, make it really pretty and shabby. This one is fun just like that, and put whatever you like in here. You can put photos, maybe a smaller pocket. I'm going to stamp the outside. Here, finishing it off. Well, here's some fun ideas. I just thought I'd throw this together and have some fun with paper in a different way. Make some ephemera, things that you can give away, things to put in your journal, things to do with your saved cardboard rolls. Have fun, everyone. Experiment, adventure with your papers and your tools. Always remember to stay cozy and be adventurous. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.